Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone screen is flickering. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I bought an Android phone and it works fine except for some minor issues which can be fixed with updates. But I did not update the new Android version immediately after it was released, but waited a week before updating it. Then I noticed that my screen is flickering and I still can't figure out what is wrong. If anyone can tell me why the screen of my Android phone is blinking and help me stop Android phone screen from flickering, I will be very grateful. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android phone screen glitching. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Broken screen or loose screen. The solution here is to check the phone and press the phone. When your Android phone is blinking, the first thing you need to check is whether the device itself has obvious cracks or other damage. A cracked screen may cause your Android phone blinking white light. If your Android phone has a screen protector and a phone case, please remove them and keep the screen clean. If there are debris on the screen, this may be recognized as touching the screen, so please keep the screen clean and tidy. In addition, if the screen and screen connector are loose, the Android phone screen flickering problem may also occur. You can gently press the phone from both sides, front and back, and try to stabilize the connection between the display and the phone itself. Cause 2. Software glitch. The solution here is to hard reboot the device in question. There are some applications on every phone that may affect the normal operation of the Android device when they malfunction. If it happens that the malfunction affects the display of the screen, the Android phone flashing screen problem may occur. And to clear the software malfunction, hard rebooting the device is the best way. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, just pull out the back cover, take out the battery, wait for a while, put it back and press the power button to boot the phone. Wait a few seconds. The Android phone screen flickering lines should disappear and the device will function normally. Cause 3. Application conflict. The solution here is to enter safe mode. There is a safe mode feature on Android phones, in which all third-party applications will not run, and only the device's own applications will run. This means that if a third-party application problem causes Android phone screen flickering horizontal lines, it can be checked in safe mode. Applications that have not been used for a long time and have been recently updated or downloaded may cause this situation. If it can be restored to normal in safe mode, it means that the third-party application is the cause and you need to find and delete it. To try the solution, follow these steps. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see a menu screen like this. Use the volume button to choose the safe mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for your Android phone to boot in safe mode. If your Android phone display works fine in safe mode, find and remove the app you suspect may be causing the screen flickers on an Android phone. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. Cause 4. OS compatibility issue. The solution here is to check and update the OS. If your Android OS is too old or the update is interrupted or failed, it is also prone to various problems. Android developers will update the OS version from time to time to give users a better experience. If your OS has the above situation, the Android phone screen flickering problem may be caused by this. Therefore, you need to check whether the updated OS is the latest version. If it is, please skip this method. If not, please follow the steps below to try to update the OS. Please open the phone settings, then scroll down to find and tap System and Updates, and then tap Software Update on the new interface. After that, the Android phone will automatically detect whether there is a new software update. If so, please keep the network connection and sufficient power, and finally, wait for the Android device to complete the update. After completion, use the phone normally again to check whether the Android phone blinking on and off problem disappears. Cause 5. There is a virus in the Android device. The solution here is to restore the Android phone to factory settings. When your phone has problems such as uncontrolled use, freezing, crashing, etc., there may be a virus in the Android phone. It affects the normal use of the Android device and the Android phone screen is randomly flickering. For this situation, all we can do is to restore the Android phone to factory settings. But restoring the factory settings will clear all the data on the phone. If you don't want to lose data, please back up the data before trying the method. If you have already backed up, please try the following steps. Let your Android phone shut down. Use a cord to connect the device to a Windows laptop or desktop. Now, press some buttons to enter recovery mode, in which you can perform a reset without the disturbance of any random reboots. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Wait for the reset to complete. Finally, complete the required Android setup and check if the Android phone display is flickering issue occurs during the process. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you screen flickering stops on an Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.